for those who've dreamed of walking through heaven on earth. Welcome to Switzerland. A wonderland on earth. A place where reality feels like a dream, and every corner whispers magic. Imagine a land sculpted by the hands of nature itself. Switzerland is known for its beauty and famously expensive. But what if I told you the most stunning spots are also the least visited and surprisingly affordable? In this video, I'll show you 7 hidden gems in Switzerland that are absolutely breathtaking and won't empty your wallet. We would also share some budget tips with you for all 7 spots, to make this adventure affordable for everyone. If you love exploring hidden gems, breathtaking landscapes, and real travel stories, hit that subscribe button and let's discover the world together, one journey at a time. Now let's start our adventure for one of the most beautiful places on earth. Number 1, Scenic. A hidden alpine lake near Condorsteck, surrounded by towering cliffs and glacier views. This lake is postcard perfect and every corner feels like a scene from a fairy tale. The water is crystal clear and perfect for rowing or hiking. Enjoy the picnic with a lake view is next level experience. Scenic is one of Switzerland's most surreal alpine lakes. No crowds, no resort, just crystal clear waters and dramatic cliffs. Experience the untouched beauty of this lake without luxury price tag. You can enjoy the activities like hiking, rowing, fishing and barbecuing in summers. This is not just a lake. It's a natural wonder beyond imaginations. A dream come true. Now let's talk about the budget. Budget tips: Scenic. Enjoy the hiking instead of using the gondola. Stay at Camping Rendezvous in Condorsteck cabins from €25 per night. And enjoy the magical beauty for less. Number 2. Lauterbrunnen. Lauterbrunnen is one of the most photographed and well-known villages in Switzerland. Lauterbrunnen is famous for its 72 waterfalls. Storbach is the landmark of Lauterbrunnen and is the highest free-falling water in Switzerland. Storbach located in the west of Lauterbrunnen in the Bernese highland. The waterfalls drops 297 meters, that is 974 feet, from a hanging valley. Storbach is a natural wonder in Lauterbrunnen. The waterfall creates a mesmerizing mist that looks like a magical dust. And stunning waterfall create a scene straight out of a fairy tale. The Lauterbrunnen is renowned for its dramatic landscapes, stunning waterfalls, lush green meadows. And pristine alpine lakes. Where reality feels like a dream. And dream become reality. Where the air feels purer and skies bluer. And time seems to slow down. Most tourists stay on the main road in Lauterbrunnen. Walk further into the valley for peace, nature, and incredible views is another feast for eyes. Turn off the main path, village roads, locals and cowbells. Watching paragliders floating down from the sky is a thrilling experience. Now let's talk about the budget tips for Lauterbrunnen. Avoid overpriced hotels by staying in nearby Stechelberg. Stay in valley hostel or dorms from €35. Or you can camp in Stechelberg for as low as €10 per night. Number 3, Lake Blausee in Bernese Oberland. It is Switzerland's most magical blue lake. The lake view is outstanding. A place where you feel spellbound. The water is crystal clear and you cannot take your eyes off it. Blaussee looks like something out of this world, where you breathe in the magic and become part of the story. Lake Blaussee is small, serene, and costs less than a cinema ticket to enter. Blaussee budget tips. Its entrance fee is €8. Visit in the off-season to avoid crowds. Bring your own lunch for a lakeside picnic. Number 4 Burgesto's Iska, a hotel in a cliff. Tucked into a cliff in Appenzell. Iska isn't just a hidden gem, it's an architectural wonder. You can hike here or take a cable car to Ebenalp, but staying overnight? That's the true experience. Burgesto's Iska budget tips. Book shared dorm rooms early for €40. Sunset and sunrise views are included, free of charge. Number 5 Grindelwald First. Perfect for adventurers and hikers. Everyone goes to Grindelwald first for the thrills, but the real magic is just off the beaten track. Take a short walk away from the first cliff walk and you'll find silence, scenery, and soul. A dreamland where things sounds beyond reality. Budget tips, Grindelwald first. Take the early train from Interlaken with a Swiss half-fare card. Skip the adventure park and enjoy nature for free. Number 6 Vals, the secret thermal village. Not many know Vals, but those who do never forget it. It's known for its famous thermal baths. Vals is gorgeous all seasons but uniquely majestic in winters. And the village itself feels untouched by time. It's affordable, peaceful, and unbelievably scenic. Budget tips, Vals. Skip the fancy spa hotel. Stay at Pension Alpenblick where rooms are available from €40. Entry to the thermal bath is cheaper with overnight stay. Number 7 Soglio. The most beautiful village you've never heard of. Soglio was the first village to receive the Most Beautiful Villages in Switzerland label. A distinction. That says a lot. Soglio is known for its traditional architecture located in the canton of Ticino. No tourists. No chain stores. Just quiet streets, fresh mountain air, and endless views over the Bregaglia Valley. This is Switzerland. Unfiltered. Budget tips, Soglio. Rent a local room or chalet through Swiss hosts for €25 to €40. Cook your own meals for a quiet, affordable retreat. Here's how to save like a local. Use the Swiss half-fare card to cut train fares in half. Grocery shop at Migros or Coop instead of eating out. Travel off-season spring and autumn. Use hostels, campgrounds, or family-run guest houses for big savings. Enjoy the local gatherings and atmosphere. Switzerland doesn't have to be expensive to be unforgettable. These hidden places show you a side of the country that's just as magical without the high cost. The best views we mentioned, they are free. So go off the path, slow down, and let the wild beauty of Switzerland find you. Trust me. Switzerland doesn't have to be luxury priced to feel luxurious. You can still enjoy the beauty of this wonderland by spending wisely. Switzerland offers a kind of magical beauty you have to see to believe. And the best part, some of its most breathtaking places are still untouched. Undiscovered and surprisingly affordable. Swiss beauty is not just a destination. It's a living wonderland. A heaven on earth. Your dream Swiss adventure doesn't have to come with a high-end price tag. Your dream trips start with a single step, and that was it. If you enjoyed this, hit like, subscribe, and comment your favorite spot. Because best memories are the ones we share. See you in the next adventure.